Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use labels in Trello. This is actually pretty simple. Let me show you how. First, click on this icon Edit Card. Now click on Edit Labels, and here you can add a label to a card just by clicking on it. And as you can see, it is added. Then press Save. Now, in order to actually edit this label, if you want to edit it, you can click on Edit Card again, Edit Labels, and Edit Label right here. Here you can insert the title of your label. So let's say work, and then simply select a color or remove color and press Save. Now, in order to see this title, you have to click on it, and here you can see the titles right away. So you can add and edit labels however you would like. This is basically how you use these labels in Trello. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.